My name is Mary Williams, and I am an interior decorator based in Richmond, Virginia. Welcome to En Plein Air. So for years, my clients had hoped to find a home closer to the heart of Richmond and one that has a deep sense of history and unique architectural character. This is my second project with these clients, and in every space I've designed for them, art has always been that priority because they understand how it truly brings a room to life. I brought in my dear friend and art advisor, Caroline Wright, and we worked closely with Von Millen, Reynolds, and Les Yeux du Monde galleries to thoughtfully curate art for each space. Caroline and the galleries have such an extensive knowledge of art. They brought in several pieces that I never would have known about, and they have so many connections in the art world. My clients had always dreamed of building this pool in their backyard, so they engaged with a local landscape designer, Marcia Fryer, who designed this beautiful pool for them. And at that point, they came to me looking for suggestions on furniture that would really speak to the architecture and the history of their home. They had invested in outdoor furniture over the years that had just not held up to the elements. So that's when we knew we needed to engage with McKinnon and Harris. They wanted this pool to be a place where they could really unwind and relax and not have to worry about the constant upkeep. We gravitated towards collections that are still traditional, yet updated and have a cleaner and more streamlined silhouette. The curved lines of the decantloon sectional paired so naturally with the shape of the patio, and we also love the flexibility of its modular design, which allows it to function as one large piece or as smaller individual love seats, depending on the occasion. The Duval Yacht sunchaises immediately stood out because they have this durable and low-maintenance quality. We selected the eaves accent tables as the perfect spot to place a drink, and then we added in these custom Tucci umbrellas for comfort and shade. We fell in love with Schumacher's citrus garden fabric and developed custom bolsters for the sunchaises and then accent pillows for the sectional that really work to tie the whole space together. It truly has been a dream project to partner with McKinnon and Harris to create this incredible space that our clients love and that will endure for many years to come.